Jordan Brand continues to expand the legacy of the Air Jordan 1 by introducing fresh colorways that blend heritage with modern style. This upcoming Air Jordan 1 mid arrives in a clean black, white, aura, and squadron blue color scheme, offering a new twist on the iconic black toe design from the original AJ1 lineup. Premium black leather covers the toe, quarters, tongue, and collar, delivering a classic and timeless foundation. The standout squadron blue accents appear on the forefoot underlays, ankle flaps, heel overlays, and outsole, adding a refreshing pop of color that feels both bold and wearable. Crisp white panels balance the look, creating strong contrast and enhancing the shoe's retro appeal. Overall, this release delivers a familiar yet updated take on a fan-favorite aesthetic. The Air Jordan 1 Mid-Squadron Blue Toe is expected to release via Nike and Jordan Brand channels in April 2026, making it one to watch for Jordan fans and sneaker collectors alike.